Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making a very simple recipe. I'm going to be making garlic prawns. Like I say, super simple, very few ingredients. Obviously one of our main ingredients here is going to be fresh garlic. Now I've got here, I didn't even count them, like a good handful. There must be at least 20 cloves of garlic there. The thing with this, you can't really have enough garlic. Like, grab some garlic, and if you think you got too much, you haven't, grab some more. And what I'm going to do is just roughly chop that up. And once you've got that sort of roughly chopped, like I say, it doesn't have to be very fine, rough and ready is good. I'll just put that aside for a sec. Alrighty guys, now I've got 3 of my enamel oven. These actually are my pie containers, but I'm going to be using them to cook my prawns in. And each one I'm just whacking in 2 tablespoons of, I'm actually using extra virgin olive oil, but any sort of olive oil you got. Now I've also got 50 grams of butter here, which I've just divided into 3 pieces. And I'm going to sip that, each one of my little ramekins. And I'm just preheating my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And then to start off with, I'm just going to warm up my butter, olive oil and my containers just by themselves in that oven. Alrighty guys, now once my butter and olive oil's been bubbling away just for a couple of minutes, I've got my garlic here. I'm just going to liberally divide that between my 3 mannequins there. And like I say guys, we're not mucking around here. This is garlic, a garlic dish. We're not using 1 or 2 garlics with it. Now next step is absolutely optional. Now I've got some hot dried chili flakes. I'm just going to sprinkle a few of those into each of those. Give it a little stir up. Now I'm just going to put those back in the oven just for another 1 or 2 minutes. Just let it sizzle up a little bit more. Alright guys, so it's literally just another 1.5 to 2 minutes later. They're sizzling away as you saw. Next, I've got here 500 grams of peeled and deveined prawns, or shrimp as my American friends call them. And I'm just going to divide those between these 3 ramekins. I'm not counting them, I'm just sort of eyeballing it really. And I'm just going to sort of turn those prawns over and into that butter and oil mixture. And again, don't forget your ramekins there are piping hot. Just so that there's at least a little bit of oil, that flavoured oil, touching the surface. And I'm just going to whack them now in the oven just for as long as it takes to cook those prawns. Now, alright my friends, now just after a few minutes, I'm just going to give those prawns another little stir up, sort of basically just flip them. The smell in here is just off the charts. Alright, they're back in until they're finished. Alrighty guys, so I'm just about to taste my garlic prawns here. As you saw, very simple recipe, easy peasy, cooked in the oven, no mess, no fuss. All I'm serving it with is a couple of lemon wedges, which I'm just going to now squeeze over that, and I've just sprinkled a bit of fresh chopped parsley over the top as well. And I've got some crusty bread because there's plenty of that beautiful garlic and chili infused oil that we're going to need to soak up. But star of the show, of course, is our prawns. Let's take a look at one up close. I'll dip it in a bit more of that sauce, that oil. Yum. Give it a taste. Yum. Absolutely delicious, as you can imagine. I guess if you don't like garlic you wouldn't say that, but man, that is delicious. The fresh lemon juice really just finishes it off really nicely, and I can't wax more lyrical about that. It's yummy. Most of you know the dish. You either like it or you don't. Most people I know love it, and there's an easy version of it. Alright guys, now I just want to give a quick update. I'm actually taking my annual leave in a couple of days, so I'm going to be actually out of the country for a good month or so. And when I've done that in the past, I've sort of prepared videos to sort of upload, but because this trip's sort of come out of the blue a bit, I haven't done that. So stay tuned still. Depending how I go, I might be able to upload just a few little quick videos, cooking of course, but from my location, from where I am, hopefully with a guest cook or two, or maybe check out a few restaurants. I am going a bit out of the way, as you'll see if I do get to upload it, so it's all dependent on my connectivity issues where I am, but yeah, we'll see how we go. Look, if I don't manage to update anything, I'll just just rely on you loyal followers to take up. I'm definitely not shutting the channel or anything like that, so don't worry about that, and I'll be back when I can in full full glory. Like I say, the channel is no danger of shutting down. There just might be a little bit of a pause between videos. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, look, there's heaps of videos on the back burner. Why don't you just check out some of those for us, and yeah, think about hitting that subscribe button. That'd be awesome. And I will see you all next time.